Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo. I've got Eric here with an absolutely beautiful 1956 International pickup truck. Eric, tell me about your truck.
Well, yeah, no. I was looking for a pickup truck that I could just drive around and maybe do some errands in and that sort of stuff. And I found this and I settled on it. The story behind this one is it's a local truck in the Edmonton area here.
Yep.
And it was bought originally by Earl Drews, who owned the general store in Sharehill, Alberta. And he drove it all his life. And when he couldn't drive it anymore, he parked it at his grandson's, and I got it off of him, and I just went through. It's all original, powertrain, and I just had the work done on it and brought it back up to where I can just drive it every weekend if I want.
Fantastic.
To do errands or whatever I want to do.
So it's virtually a summer daily driver.
Yes, yeah, it could be. Yeah. Or a weekend driver, but it's just great to get out on it.
Absolutely.
It brings back memories of my dad, who was in construction and always had an old vehicle like this, and it just brings me right back whenever I get into it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So you're always looking for a truck like this, or was it just something you fell upon?
I fell upon it. I was looking for an older pickup truck in that regard, and then I just fell upon this one, and the thing is, it's fairly unique. There's not many around.
Yeah.
And whenever I bring it out, it kind of stands out because of that.
Absolutely. Well, when I was walking by, I saw it,
Yeah.
and I had to talk to you and see if you're the owner because it drew my attention. I've been here for probably 4 hours already doing videos, and I've walked by your truck a few times, and I had to have it on my channel before I left today. So thank you for talking to me about it.
Right.
Now, the engine in here, what engine's in this?
It's a Black Diamond 240, 131 horse.
Okay.
And then it's got 3 in the tree for transmission, and lots of power low end. Not too fast on the highway, but it eventually gets you there.
Yeah. A little slow getting there, but you'll get there.
Oh, yeah.
And it rides okay, obviously?
Yeah. After I've had it redone, the suspension and finding the parts was a big challenge. But
I bet.
But finding it and having the engine redone, the original, and all of that kind of stuff. But all original and everything works, even the interior light.
Yeah.
And so that's remarkable for a vehicle that's this old. So.
Oh, absolutely. And so brakes on it are still factory standard, or are they updated?
Well, they're original parts for that era. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. When he found the drums, he said these are probably the last drums in North America.
Wow.
That he could find. So
get them, put them on.
Yeah, put them on.
Put them on.
Yeah.
And obviously the lines have all been replaced.
Everything's been that aspect's been done for safety. And everything else, and durability and reliability.
Of course. Excellent. Is it original?
All original.
Is it original interior?
Well, yeah. I just had the seat redone.
Yeah.
But it's the original seat, the original interior.
Just covered.
Completely. Yes, I just had the seat recovered.
Excellent. And dashboard?
Dashboard's all original.
Wow. Wow, that's fantastic. Anything else you want to do to the vehicle, or is it basically done?
No, I just, I've been enjoying it the way it is, and I'll just keep it that way, and as long as it runs, I'll run with it. So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
Not a work truck anymore.
Yeah,
it's done its duty.
Yeah, well, no, just 2 weeks ago I did a run to the dump with it, and
seriously.
Oh yeah, sure. And I want it to still work for me, so for things like that. So yeah,
that's impressive. Yeah. I'm a little surprised. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with that. Anything else that's new about this vehicle, or different, or anything that would be unique to it?
No, it's just the old farm truck, and I often have people stop by and say, "Oh, we had one of those on the farm way back when," and a lot of fond memories of the farm community, for the old International.
Yeah. Leaf springs in the back.
Yes.
Yeah, it's all still good.
Yeah, they're all good. Had the bushings replaced and all of that, and new shocks, but the leaf springs are still original. And,
original leaf springs.
Yeah. And all
good.
Of that. Yeah.
So. Excellent. Well, thank you so much for talking to me about your truck. I do appreciate your time.
Pleasure.